What is difference between QC versus QA in pharmaceutical industry? Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Science Club channel. Have you ever wondered why medicines are safe, effective, and reliable
every single time you buy them? Is it quality assurance or is it quality control?
The main objective of a QC lab is to make sure that every medicine is safe, effective, and consistent in quality.
Control. Many people think QA and QC are the same, but they actually have very different responsibilities.
QA focuses on prevention, and QC focuses on detection.
Deference is essential for pharmacy students, laboratory professionals, and anyone working in the pharmaceutical industry.
In today's video, we'll explain QA versus QC in the easiest way possible, using real pharmaceutical examples and simple everyday comparisons.
It passes through many quality checks. Behind every tablet, capsule, injection, or syrup are two important departments working together: quality assurance, QA, and quality control, QC. Both aim to deliver safe, effective, and high-quality medicines, but they achieve this goal in different ways. Let's begin with quality assurance. Quality assurance, or QA, is all about preventing mistakes before the manufacturing step follows good manufacturing practices, or GMP. QA makes sure that every employee follows approved procedures, every document is correct, and every process is properly controlled. Simply put, QA builds quality into the manufacturing process. Think of QA as the department that plans everything before production starts. QA trains employees, approves procedures, verifies equipment, reviews manufacturing instructions, and ensures every process follows GMP requirements. Their main objective is prevention. If the process is correct from the beginning, the chances of producing defective medicines become much lower.
If the process is correct from the beginning, the chances of producing defective medicines become much lower.
Here's a simple example. Imagine a teacher preparing students before an exam.
Remember to review the key points and practice solving the problems in the back. Does that make sense?
Mistakes before the exam. That is exactly how quality assurance works. Some major responsibilities of QA: validating manufacturing processes, reviewing batch manufacturing records, managing change control, investigating deviations, implementing CAPA, corrective and preventive actions, monitoring GMP compliance throughout the facility. Everything QA does is focused on preventing problems before products are manufactured. Now let's talk about quality control. Quality control, or QC, is responsible for testing and evaluating the product. QC scientists collect samples during and after manufacturing and analyze them using laboratory instruments. Their job is to confirm that every medicine meets the required quality standards before it reaches patients. Unlike QA, QC does not prevent errors. Instead, QC detects problems by performing laboratory testing. If a medicine fails any specification, QC immediately reports the result.
If a medicine fails any specification, QC immediately reports the results.
Only products that pass all quality tests are released for distribution. The teacher prepared students before the exam. Now the examiner checks whether the answers are correct. The examiner identifies mistakes after the work has been completed. That is exactly what quality control does. QC laboratories use advanced analytical instruments, including HPLC for chemical analysis, UV spectrophotometer for absorbance testing, FTIR for material identification, dissolution testers to evaluate drug release, pH meters for acidity and alkalinity, gas chromatography for volatile compound analysis, Every result is carefully reviewed to confirm product quality. Now, let's compare them. QA focuses on the process. QC focuses on the product. QA prevents defects. QC detects defects. Both departments work together to achieve the same goal: high-quality medicines. QA monitors manufacturing activities, documentation, employee training, and compliance. QC concentrates on laboratory testing, sample analysis, and verifying product specifications.
It's definitely the capping machine. See the slight crimp here? Yes, the pressure calibration is off. I'll adjust the HMI now.
Investigation usually follows these steps: root cause analysis, deviation investigation, corrective and preventive actions, continuous improvement.
Comparing quality assurance and quality control in pharmaceuticals. Focus on processes versus final product, aiming.
The manufacturing line is operating at full capacity. Excellent. Let's check the dissolution and purity levels in the lab.